Greetings to my wife, dear. Thank you for always putting my needs before your own. On this special day, I want to express my deepest gratitude for all the love you've given me. Your sacrifice haven't gone unnoticed. I appreciate everything you've done for me. Wishing the most amazing mom and a very happy Mother's Day. Thank you for being my guiding light. Your love and support have shaped me into the person I am today. Thank you for everything to the woman who always been my rock. I'm forever grateful for your love and care. Your love is the fuel that keeps me going. Thank you for being my constant source and strength. Happy Mother's Day!